Good afternoon, everyone. We welcome you all today to live session. Good afternoon, everyone. We welcome you all to today's live session. This is the. I am thrilled to see you back here in the last live session, and this is the last live session for this week. We have been consistently delivering you with the returns this week also, like our previous week, and the December start has been fantastic as of now. So now we'll just go through what we have done till now. For those who are new, introducing myself, my name is Aditya, and I have a 7 years of experience in the market. So the insights you will be getting is from the experienced analyst, so you don't have to worry about your investment gains and all. And mostly talking about my investment strategies, I trade in fundamentals. I look after the volume based trading strategy. We also follow the swing strategy, but mostly we focuses on the fundamental analysis of a stock. So based on that, we come to a conclusion what will be the future prospect of the stock. And till now, for the clients, I have managed 100 crores or more than 100 crores of rupees for the Indian clients. So that is a remarkable, and I have generated a generous wealth for the client. I have almost beaten Nifty in each year, be it starting from 21, 22, 23, 24. Each and every year, I have beaten the Nifty and generated more returns for my client, beating Nifty continuously. And even some of our scripts are there, which are at 15 to 20x have grown till date, and we are still holding that script. So for that, for getting that insights, getting that fundamentals, we tell to stay updated in our site so that you are getting the update again and again. And what are the stories we are unfolding, we will be looking into that. For today, Nifty was negative as of now, and we will discuss about Nifty also. What are the stories we have as of now, and what are the what are the uh, what are the factors that had affected the Nifty to fall down today. It had a winning streak last 5 days straight, and now it has fallen to 24,667, just 30 points down from its above level, but it was trading at 24,700. Now it is fallen below that. So we will just analyze what are the prospects and what are the analysis we have for today. Now coming to the performances which we had done, we will look after the performance sheet. We will look after the current holding. We will just look what has our holding performed as of now, and we will also gain insights into the fundamentals analysis of any stock, and realize what are its potential we have as of now, and what are the prospect it is having, and what are the prospect will it have. So coming to the aim of this session, tell me what do you want to gain from this session and learn from this session. And be remember, this is an interactive session, so be interactive out of it. Now I just want to make sure that people who are in the session, just make sure if you are want to make a serious money, and if you are here to make consistent profit and money, just type 1 in the comment section. And people who are unsure and just curious about making money, just type 2 in the comment section, and let's get started. What we will cover today, we will cover the performances track, what we have done till this week, what are the returns which we have generated till this week, what are the returns till date from the date of calls we are providing, what are the holdings we have as of now, and what are the strategies to maximize your return in this volatile market. Market is always volatile, so we will give you the strategy how to maximize your returns, right? So just we will go through that. So just we will go through the Excel sheet what we have done till now. Now looking in the Excel sheet, we have seen that what we are seeing, we have Hindustan Oil Exploration, which we have generated on 3rd of December. Second one was RBL Bank. Third one was Aventel. Fourth one was Poonawalla. Fifth one is IP rings and arcade ply. And for rest of the positions which we are seeing many, we have taken positions 2 to 3 times. In Hindustan Oil Exploration, we have taken positions 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. 3 times we have taken the position, sorry, 4 times we have taken the position in Hindustan Oil Expression, which we have averaged it down. So just look at the Hindustan Oil Expression, what is going and what it has done till now. So we had Hindustan Oil Expression today. So we'll just refresh it and go through the Hindustan Oil Expression. If you look at the Hindustan Oil Expression, it is trading flat as of now. It is trading around 196, just down below 0.19% as of now, and it is doing great. So Hindustan Oil Expression is not much down as of now, not much up as of now. So whatever we are expecting to grow more from Hindustan Oil Exploration. Now coming to the second stock we have. We have RBL Bank. So we will go for the RBL Bank. RBL Bank is doing great from last few sessions. RBL Bank is positive today also. It is able to maintain its momentum today also. RBL Bank was negative in the morning session, but now it has cashed up. Now it has building its momentum. From last 4 5 days, we were seeing RBL Bank making a good momentum. From below its level of 150, we are seeing RBL Bank going to a good level price and making its good high. So this is the status we have as of now for the RBL Bank. And now what we will go? We will go for other stock. Hindustan Oil Expression we have already seen. We will look after the Aventel. Just look at the Aventel we have. The Aventel we had generated our call on 24th of October, and also the last call which we have generated, we have already profitable in that. So we'll just look into that, what Aventel is doing currently. So for Aventel, we have a negative returns on it. So as of now, it's 0.56% negative for the Aventel, and we were seeing that the Aventel has provided you with the returns of many from last few sessions. It has fallen down to 150, 140, 146, and from that position it is bouncing back as of now. In this current market, it is bouncing back and coming to a good level. So this is a very good sign for Aventel. And now we will look after the other stocks which we have in our holding. So Poonawalla, we will go for Poonawalla. Now just look at the Poonawalla we have. Poonawalla, we had made our entry at 360 level, but as of now, at this closing point, it is negative for today. But we are expecting the Poonawalla to gain its momentum in coming days. Poonawalla is facing the stressful situation as of now. It is consolidating, and we are expecting the Poonawalla to grow more in coming session. So this is the status of Poonawalla as of now, and we are expecting to grow more. Now, coming to our next holding, we have IP rings. We have IP rings. Just you can look. We have IP rings. Which we had entry on 200 and 205. So for IP rings, just we will go for the IP rings. For IP rings, we had made our entry at 200 level, and it is trading around that level only. We are able to make positive of, like, today's positivity was 3.26% in IP rings, and it is very good. Now you can see that IP ring is performing very well as of now, but we are expecting a momentum to build up so that it can grow more, right? IP ring is trying to build up its momentum, but it is not going towards the upper level. Now we are expecting to go it further so that we will be able to analyze it. Now looking at our again the holdings we have, the Poonawalla we have done, Hindustan. Now looking at the Arcade Ply, which we have taken the position on 20th, and within one day we were able to exit the Arcade Ply positions. Just look at the Arcade Ply. Here we have a Arcade Ply. As you can look, Arcade Ply was at 177. We had made our entry at 110 and was easily able to exit that position at the level of 100. 16 and between 115 and 120. So this is the level we have as of now, where we were able to make the exit. Now coming back to the these are the performances which we have shown till now. And what are the performances we have shown our holding as of now. What are the positions currently after the close of the market? What are the positions currently we are having, right? This is the positions we have for today. So if you see on the changes basis, IP rings have gained a bit. After that, National Fertilizer was the second most gainer in our portfolio, in our holding, exactly in our holding from Architply. Then uh, following the marks of RBL Bank, Dev Plastic, Hindustan Oil Explosion coming next, Annapurna Swadis Limited, then Aventel, Poonawalla, and Green Gas Ganesh Green Bharat Limited. So the major loser was Ganesh Green Bharat Limited for now, and the major gainer was IP Rings for today. So we have our most gainer and most loser for today. So now what we will be looking, what we will be looking at the first profit gains what we have generated for this week. We just minimize it and then maximize it for your further view. So as you can look, this was our stock holding which we have provided to our clients, where we have generated a good returns for the client. And whatever the stocks we had given you with the greater returns, right? So these are the return we are providing it to you. Now looking at the profitability which we have given to you, right? We have provided you with a greater profitability. We have provided you with the 227% profitability as of now in just 37 trades closed. So just look at the profitability we are providing, and look at the trades in which how many trades we are able to deliver you with the returns. We have delivered it on just 37 trades as of now. In just 37 trades we are able to deliver you with the returns of 227% profitability. We have made our entry at 47 positions as of now. If you'll remove this one position, we'll be able to see how many positions we have made. We have made 47 positions as of now, and in total we are able to make exit in 37 trades. We are able to close that position, and we have made our profitability of 227% profitability. So just look at the profitability which we have generated for you in just 2.5 months. So, are you able to generate this profit by yourself? If you are able to generate this profit by yourself, please let us know, that we will be able to communicate with you. And if you are not able to generate this profit by yourself, please type 2 in the comment section, that we will be guiding you on the basis of that, on the basis of the requirement. And we will the more you interact, the more you will be able to see how much we are gaining insights into your portfolio and how we are able to help you, because each and every one of us in the market is for profit. We are not here to make any loss, we are here to make profit, right? So that's the most important thing. Just remember that in the market, each and every one of us are here to make profit, not any loss, right? So also I want to remind you once more that, excuse me please, as the weather is changing, we are facing a lot of changes in our body as well. That's why the cold and coughness is coming. Just I was reminding that this live streaming session which we are providing it for you will be available for only next 2-3 weeks. After that we will go for the VIP subscription model. Just remember that till the live streaming is free, take most benefit out of it, make profit for your portfolio, right? The more profitable you will be, the more trades you will be able to take. So that's the most important thing, to be more profitable. And not only profitable, the consistency in the profitability is most important. If you are not able to make the consistent return, that is a genuine concern in trading. If you are able to add up to profitability a bit, then you are able to grow a lot, right? So that's the factor we have as of now, and the profitability has to grow a lot. So now coming to the Now coming to the holdings which we have and what are the stocks we can go for analyzing, right? Now we have tracked our stock tracking. On as of now we have made a profitability of 227% as of 6th of December. 37 trades have been closed in just 2.5 months. And holding, if we see, we have holding of these stocks and we are making tremendous gains in that. As of now the market is gaining momentum, the stock is gaining momentum, and we will be looking soon that we are able to exit all of our stocks and we have made our entry into the new stocks as well. So this is the current position we have for the holding as of now. We will just go through this holding we have. So this was our holding we have, and now we will look into the market condition, what it has unfolded for today, right? Now, looking into the market, market was negative for today. We have seen that market is negative. Market was not. Market is still in the grid zone. Still, we will be seeing a negative. If we look at the market mood index, we are seeing some greediness in the market. The market was still market was in momentum from last 5 days, and we are seeing the greediness to be continued. Market is the fear, the mood index is above 50, so we are expecting in the greed zone. It suggests that investors are acting greedy. Still investors are acting greedy in the market, but action has to be taken on the MMI trajectory, right? See all zones for detail. We have to look all zones for the detail, and the market, it is in the greedy zone, right? So that's the most important thing. We have seen that the changes in MI, fear has changes from the fear to grid. 43 was the uh, score when it was Nifty hasn't gained in momentum. And if now Nifty has given you the return of 2.27%, the 500 points increase in the Nifty. So the fear has changed to greed as of now. So the market, if you see, it is changing to greed. So that's the very sign to be remain cautious on that. So as you can see, Nifty has fallen its mark, and now we will look at the overall movers. Now we have seen Nifty, India VIX, even if the market has fallen today, VIX have decreased as of now, and Bank Nifty is performing good, Nifty is performing good. Now we will look at the uh, FIIDA, what they are doing till now, what they have done this week. So we have a report till 5th of December. We will just go to the NSE site for to getting the latest report. We will just see we are able to get that report or not, right? FIIDI, we just type the FIIDI in content. So here also we have a detail of FIIDI uh, till the till 5th of December only. We don't have a data for today as of now. And if we look at the data, what it has suggested, at 5th of December, we are able to see DII on 5th of December have a buy value of 13,395 crore and sell value of 15,699 crore. So net value the DII sold around the level of 2303 crore last day. So DII have sold yesterday even after there was a gain in the market. For FII, if we see, FII bought 24,716 crore and they have sold around 16,176 crore. So this was the FII holding and foreign institutions and foreign portfolio investors, FII, FPI. So this was the sell value we have as of now. So combined if we see, it is a positive, it is around positive around 6,000 crore if you see the DIA uh, net FII value. Now we will analyze more deeply. And yesterday we have seen the net was 6236 as of now. For the FII and DIA, the net derivatives which we have generated is 87,249, and for the FII cash it is 8539.90, right? And DIA cash has been negative for yesterday. And if we look at the performances which we have made, so we will just go through the performances which we have made. We have FII cash sold of FII have bought 8,539 crores of money in the market, right? And on 4th of December, they have got 1797 crore. From last 3 days, you can see the FII have started buying continuously. That has built a momentum in the market and they are buying it consistently. So that's the very positive sign for the market. uh, as you can see, there was a buying in FI on 25th, 26th, 27th of November also, where the market was positive, and after that we have seen a negative here 28 to second 28, 29, and 2nd of December, where there was a negativity in the market, and after that FII have buying started again. And there has been change of lot. When FII have bought, mostly the market was positive, the market was in gain, and you can see the from last 5 session market has been positive. Even if you see the last 10 session, only market has been negative for 2 days, and for rest of the 8 sessions market is positive. So it is a very good sign that market is positive as of now. So on 22nd of November also, we have seen why the market was positive, why the market was acting positive on that. And on 25th of November, too, market was positive. So this was the status for FIA. If we look into the DIA is selling as of now. Right, DIA have sold mildly 251 crore overall. If you see 900 crores and 2303.60 crores. This is the condition for DIA we have. DIA is selling a bit, but overall if you see, DIA have bought more than selling. DIA has been mixed. DIA has mixed performance as of now, and it is a more of buying than selling. And if you look for the FII, DIA was buying from the month, FII was selling for a month, and now recently from last 10 trading session they have started buying. You can see from last 10 trading session they have bought for 6 session and sold for 4 session. But before that, all of the sessions which we have for FII were all in negative. So at least we are seeing a buying from FII, and we are expecting some positivity to grow. So this is the signs we have as of now. Now, if we, this is the activity. If you look at the news and announcement for today, there was an important announcement on. There was an important announcement from Reserve Bank today. Just look at the announcement. RBI has raised collateral-free agriculture loan limit to rupees 2 lakh per borrower. So RBI has raised for agricultural purpose, people who are in agriculture, for them RBI has raised a loan limit for 2 lakhs. Without any collateral, we will be able to gain loans on agriculture, right? So uh, this is the we news we have. It was existing 1.6 lakh, and viewing the inflation, it has increased to 2 lakhs. Since the inflation is increasing, so the amount of product, the raw materials which we will be giving will be also more. So based on that, we are expecting to grow. Now we will just wait for the, yeah. So this is the result which we have as of now. It has increased to 2 lakhs, and if we see, there has been a positivity. It has increased to 2 lakhs. At present, there was a more of a, so the central bank will be soon announcing its value to how the loan has been increased, and what I also on the interest rate. The interest rate was unchanged for today. The interest rate is unchanged for today. There have been no changes in the interest rate. The interest rate have been stagnant, and market was expecting to increase or decrease from 25 to 50 basis point, but it has not done as of now. So the interest rate is stagnant. So this is the stocks we have as of now. Now we will go for the trading view and look after the stocks which we can go for the analysis. Just we will briefly analyze some of our stock. IP rings we have done, Arcade Ply we have done, RBL Bank we have done. So we will just go for the Dev Plastic for today. Okay, we'll just analyze the Dev Plastic. Just we will go for the technicals first, and then we will go for the uh, fundamentals. So for their plastic, we had made our entry at 270, 270, and we have achieved our 13% profitability in their plastic recently. So this is the positivity we have. We have made our entry at the low and it was able to achieve 13% profitability here at the level of 305. So this is the positivity we have since we bought the stock at the level of 270. Around the level of 270, the stock has boomed. The stock has given a good green candle and has moved till 305. This is the positive sign we have as of now. So these are the reasons we are giving you with the updates where to buy the stock. We are giving you the updates what will be the lowest position of the stock, and from then we are hitting up the stock and gaining some momentum and making the quick profit out of it. So the making money in the market is not that hard. Just understand the concept. The making money in the market is not that hard. Just you are under the wrong guidance or not understanding the market circumstances or not under the right guidance you are trading. If you are under the right guidance, if you are trading under the us, right, we will be providing you the right guidance. We will be hand holding you what are your requirements. Either you want to make short term profit, either you want to make long term profit. Each and everything we will be dealing with it and providing you with the return. So that's the thing we have as of now. So these are the things we have, and we will be providing you with the returns consistently. The most important thing, the consistent return in the market. We are not here in the market to make profit one time. We are not here to make profit for a one time and make huge profit and get out of the market. We are here in the market to make consistent profit, to be consistent and make consistent profit. Right? The more consistent profit you will be able to make, the more confidence you will gain in the market, and that is the most important thing. So we have looked after the Dave plastic as of now. Now we will go for the fundamental analysis of Dave plastic. We'll just go briefly through it. We will also take the help of Motilal Oswal, which we will look how the stocks is doing, because some of the points which we have seen are available in Tikate but not in here Research 360, and some of the points are available in this side, not on this side. So each and everything we will do from top to down, from top to down, the bottom, each and every analysis, right? So overall if you see, we have the plastic trading at a range of 302 as of now, and it has made a gain of 0.2% for today. And looking at its financial strength, the quality, valuation, technicals is average as of now. And just we'll go through the returns which we have generated. For one day it has gained a bit, from its high it has fallen. And for if you're looking for a month, for a month, it has been negative. It has generated minus 3.44% returns for a month basis. So that is the main thing which we have seen. It has generated a return of 3.44% negatively. Now, looking at the monthly performance, it has been doing good in on a monthly basis, but it has been consolidating at this range. We can't consider this performances, this range, to be positive, because it is consolidating at the level of 260 and 340. It is giving a gap up here, but not a movement in one side. And if you look at the yearly basis, their plastic have been doing great. It has been performing really well. 56.94% returns have been generated from their plastic, and we are expecting more positive on it. And looking at the 5 year chart, we have generated a return of 695.10% in the Dev Plastic. So it is a tremendous return which we have seen. It has made a low of 431 also, and it has made a high of 458. So just look at the returns it has generated. It is almost given from its low. If we compare the high, it has almost generated 25% of return. So just think of that, the 25% return which we have generated. Many of the people who have bought the stock in 22 till now, it has generated a return, a tremendous return for them. So these are the returns which we are having in this plastic. Let's unfold what stories it hold and why it is unfolding as of now. Just go for the financials. Looking at the income part, income is not available for 21 because it was listed in 2022. And from 2022, if we see 2249 was the revenue, 2249 was the revenue for Dave Plastic, and from them, the revenue has not been increasing much. If you see, the revenue has not been increasing much. Revenue has increased to 2500 crores and then decreased to 2454 crores. So this is the status we have as of now. The revenue is not growing much. Now, if you look at the net income, but the net income has been increased. So it shows the efficiency of a company, because even if you see the revenue is not growing, but net income is growing. So it is a very positive sign for us, right? Even after the revenue is not growing, we are able to see an increase in net income. That is a positive sign we have as of now. Now, looking at the EPS, EPS was very much high. I think there is a mistake in EPS giving point. This is the correct EPS we have as of now. There has been typing mistake, I guess. The EPS was 18.29 in 23 and 16.72. So the EPS have decreased a bit, but not to a significant margin. It has decreased only to around 8 to 10%. EPS have been decreased. So overall, if you see the annual growth in value, so we have already discussed that it has been decreasing. It has increased 12.46% in the financial year of 22 and 23, but it has reduced to 2.95% in financial year of 23-24. So that's make a serious concern on it. We are having a negative revenue in 23 and 24. And for net income, if you see, net income has been tremendously growing well. It shows the profitability of a company and efficiency. So that's the very important reason we have in our net income. We are looking at the profitability and looking at the net income. So net income is increasing, each and everything is increasing a bit. So that's the uh, good sign as of now. And if you look at the balance sheet, we had our assets as in constant. It has reduced to 912 crore, from 9 to 9 crore from 2022, and it has maintained its growth here, 995 crore, around 1000 crore. It have as good assets. And looking at the liabilities is very low. Liabilities from 537 crore, it has been able to reduce its liabilities. So that is a positive sign for their plastic industry. It is continuously reducing its liabilities, right? It is consistently reducing its liabilities from 537.31 crores. It has reduced its liability to 335.21 crores. So this is the status we have as of now. Liabilities has been consistently decreasing. So we can expect that the profitability of a company, the interest payment margin is decreasing, and the efficiency is growing. The efficiency is growing for the company. So that's a very good sign as of now. And the performances for the revenue part is being stagnant, but the liabilities has been decreasing and net income has been increasing. That is a staggering sign for any company. Looking at the cash flow has maintained its positivity from 0.91. It has maintained its positivity. Free cash flow, if you see, it is good. It is doing good as of now. 23 was 116.51 free cash flow and 93.19 crores in 2024. So it is well around 100 crore. There is a free cash flow. They are generating net incomes for their clients. They are for their shareholders, for their company, and The revenue part is also stagnant, but the net income is growing and liabilities is decreasing, but assets have been constant, assets haven't decreased, the liability has decreased. So this is the sign we have positive in our statement analysis financials. Now looking at the peers, we will go for the peers analysis. So we have a peer for this, or peer for Dev Plastic. For if you look at the valuation, valuation is tremendously low for Dev Plastic Industries. Just 17.44 P ratio. It is much more low than the solar industries, the Linde Industries, and Deepak Nitrate. We are having a low P, lowest P among its competitor. If we look at the valuation, the price to book value is also low, 4.80. So just look at the P ratio as compared to its peers. We have a very low PE. We are seeing an increase in, we are not seeing an increase in assets, but we are seeing a decrease in liabilities. We are not seeing an increase in income much, but there has been increase in net income. And the P ratio is also low, which makes it very attractive for the investor as of now. And if you look at its peers, it is doing really well. And if we go for the analysis of it, we are expecting to grow more on it. It is commodity chemicals, so it will just blast in coming days. It will just blast in coming days. Just remember my words. It will blast. We are seeing the level of 302. Even now, if you're seeing from this from till now which we have analyzed, it will go till 6 to 800 easily. It will mark its level to 6 to 800 in coming times, and we will be able to see more upside on that. Now looking at the technical part, we are seeing the RSI is not in the overbought zone. RSI is also below 70, the 14 days RSI, and the volatility is also 51.87%, 51.87%. So it is the average, not a much of volatility from its peer also, and the RSI is also in not in overbought zone. So this is the positive sign we have as of now. For the forecast point, we don't have forecast as of now, uh, because it is a small cap stock and it has a good potential in it. Just look at the price comparison we can do as of now. So the price comparison of their plastic, just look at the returns which we have generated. Their plastic has been doing tremendously well. Their plastic has generated a return of 53.87%, right? And Solar India has generated a return of 71.60%, and Linde India is 16.44%. So this is the returns we have as of now. Their plastic is 53.87% return. Solar India is 71.60%, and Linde India is 16.44%. So if we see at the growth, it is average. The returns are great as of now, and the profitability is also increasing. So there are much more positive signs for Dev Plastic as compared to the negative sign it has. Now looking at the promoter holding trend, it has a promoter holding trend. The promoter holding has stayed constant. Low pledge promoter holding is insignificant. Pledge promoter holding is insignificant. Retail holding has almost stayed constant, and foreign institutional holding has also stayed constant. So these are the things which we have as of now, and we will be looking into the foreign institutions. If you look at the foreign institutions, the holding had increased to 0.17%, and it has decreased as of now from last 2 quarters. We are seeing a bit increase in foreign institutions holding. Retails and other institutions holding have been decreasing right, from 25.02% to 24.71%. And for other domestic institutions, they have made their increase in they have made their increase in their plastic industries limited. They are increasing their stake 0.25%, 0.31%. So almost they are increasing their stake. Just before 1 year, they weren't having any stake in this their plastic, but now we are seeing an increase in that. Just look, it was a 0 in December 23, but now we are seeing domestic institutions entering into it, foreign institutions entering into it. So it is a very positive sign as of now. Now, mutual fund. If you see the mutual fund have been stayed constant. Mutual fund have avoided this stock as of now. But we are expecting that once DIA is coming, FII is coming, so mutual fund will also enter into it. because FII India don't invest their money without their research, without any good backing. So if we look at the investment they have made, mutual funds, we are also expecting the mutual funds to come now. So this is the thing, and there is no much insiders deals has been activated, neither bulk deals activities were reported. So this is a very good sign as of now, and neither there has been any legal orders, as not company announcement has come on December 4. We will just look at the announcement because it has come recently. So it is so it is talking about the interaction which may have occurred as a part of analyst company, the company refers the public documents. They will be looking after the interaction which may have occurred and created a mixed confusion among the analysts and investors while analyzing the Dev Plastic, and we will look what they are doing as of now. Now we have looked after its performances, the financials, the peers. We have done the holding events, news, each and everything is covered. Now we look at the overall performances. Now we will go to the SWOT analysis. We will do the SWOT analysis from this chart. So what are its SWOT analysis? Why do we do SWOT analysis? Because for any company we need to know the strength of the businesses, the weakness of the businesses, the opportunities in the businesses we have, and the threats how the company can face threats. So the SWOT analysis is the most important thing. We know the 360 degree and 360-degree point of view, right? It is one of my favorite point to do the SWOT analysis for any company. We have to know this. We will be going to know the strength, we will be going to know the weakness which company is holding. What are its weakness? Either financial is going low, interest payment is high. What are its weakness or opportunities? What are the business opportunity we have as of now, and how business is going to perform in future? So these are the opportunities and threats. And what are the threats? We are going to look into it, the threats availability. Now if you look at the SWOT analysis, it has ROC is improving. It is using its capital effectively in last 2 years. The ROCE is, it is generating profit. It is using ROCE effectively and it is generating profit for yourself. And there is efficient managing of assets to generate portfolio. We have already done our return on asset is also improving. As we have seen, revenue has not been increasing much, assets have not been increasing much, but the net income is increasing, right? The profitability of a company is increasing. So that is the most important thing. If a company have, even if the revenue is not increasing, we are able to see an increase in net income and all. Growth in quarterly net profit with increasing profit margin, right? So there has been growth in quarterly net profit with increasing profit margin. So this is the sign we have as of now. Company is able to generate net cash, improving net cash flow for last 2 years. So now if you are looking, it is able to generate net cash. It has improved the net cash flow from last 2 years. It is a very good sign. Company is able to make a very good profitability out of its revenue it have. Book value is improving for last 2 years. Book value per share is improving for last 2 years, and FII PI institutions is increasing their holding. We have already talked about the FII and PII. FII, PII, DII has started increasing their stake in this stock. Excuse me. So this is the situation we have for FII and FPI, because they are continuously increasing their shareholding. Now, if you will see, the return on equity is also improving. Quarter on quarter, the profit margin is also increasing. Company has lower its debt. Company is reducing its debt, and it has low debt. The net profit is improving for last 2 years, and the company don't have any promoter pledging. So there are many strengths for the company. We are seeing mostly strength coming from the profitability and efficiency it is showing in the market, which is a very good sign. It has been able to increase its efficiency, it has been able to increase its profitability. So that makes a very good sign for the company, and it has reduced its debt. So the company is focusing on fundamentals a lot. And now you will be seeing how it grows in ahead. If you look at the weakness, there is no weakness in this stock. Just look at the stock which you hold. There is no weakness in this stock. This is the first stock which we are seeing for analyzing. There is no weakness available. Opportunity, just look at the opportunity we have. We don't have either weakness, neither opportunity. And the threats, company with growing cost year on year for long term projects. So there is only one threat as of now. It is growing cost for year on year for long term projects. For long term project it has to invest, so there may be some threats in it. It has growing cost for that. So company has to remain cautious on that position and be assured that it is not growing cost on that, and the company is doing well for that positions. Now we have looked into that. If the performances, if you'll see, year in dale return has been, we have done with the SWOT analysis. Now we will look at the performances. Performance has been low. It is showing low as of now. The mark is 1.3, but the absolute return which we will see is 56.63% for today as of now. And if we look at the valuation, the price to earning ratio is 16.79, which is not much high. Price to book ratio is 4.8, and P to CFO ratio is 27.27. So this is the valuation ratio we have. The growth is lacking behind. It is rank 121 versus 136 peers. And the profitability, we are talking about the profitability. The company is showing its huge profitability in the market. The company is generating a huge return. Return on equity has been 31.48%. The net profit margin is 7.4%, which is tremendous in this industry. The cash flow is 4.73%, which is really good. For the industry which Dev Plastic is operating in the commodity chemicals, we are expecting a very positivity into it. The profitability has been very high, it is making it marks into it. For entry point, if you see the fundamentals which we have analyzed, and for technicals, it is a good time to enter into the stock. It is because it is not in the overbought zone. It is not in the overbought zone. The RSI is below the 70 mark. And for red flags we have, it is not in the ASM list, neither it is in gray market list. Promoter pledge holding, not of a lot of promoter is placed. Unsolicited messages, neither any unsolicited messages revolving in the market, that we are able to see that it is having an insider trade or something. Neither any unsolicited messages are being going on, and there is a default probability. So there is no data for the default probability, but we are expecting the company how it is doing. It will not be defaulting, right? The profitability has been increasing, revenue has stayed constant, but the net income is increasing. Like assets have been stayed constant, but the liability is decreasing. So it comes out with many efficiency we have. So overall, if you see, the stock is doing tremendously well. The stock financials are good. It is undervalued as compared to its peers. So it is a very positive for us. If you look at the financial, if you look, the it has increased, but we will look at the normal view. We'll just brief of the analysis and come down to the recommendations point. We have seen the revenue has been stayed constant, but the net income part is increasing from 54 to 181.66 crore. This is the net income part we have. EPS has been 18.18 to 16.7. This is the EPS we have. The balance sheet, if we see, the balance sheet for the asset is been constant and been growing a bit, but the liabilities part has decreased. So together liability part 537.31 crore to 335.21 crore. So these are liabilities we have. Total so we have seen at the liabilities. We have also looked at the valuations. The valuations for the Dev Plastic is very attractive. We are seeing a valuation of 17.44, and the Solar Industries India Limited have a valuation of 115.54. These are the valuations we have. For Deepak United at 45.32. So this is the valuation we have for as of now. It is very much undervalued from its competitor. If its valuation increases even till 85, we will see a jump of 500% in the stock price at this level. And people are very positive, putting its money, putting into putting buying the shares of the company even at the high valuation. So look at the valuations we have. Dev Plastics we have 53.87, Solar India's Solar INDs, Linde India is positive. Dev Plastic has been performing average. For promoters we have seen there isn't much change from 75%. Promoter holding is instant, and there has been increase in uh, other domestic institution and foreign institution investors. So that is a very good sign for us. We have also gone through the SWOT analysis. It had 11 strength, 0 weaknesses, 0 opportunities, and 1 threat available. So the financials, if you see, it has very high financial strength. It is acting, it is scoring 80, which is a very good mark as of now. And whatever the analyst we have provided, it has provided a buy rating, and it is at affordable valuation, and RSI is also at 53.54, and the market cap is also low. So it has a tremendous potential. The day plastic to grow, the market cap is low, RSI is low, it is doing profitability, it is doing great, and we will be seeing the uh, the management to follow its mark and grow its level. So this is the analysis which we have done for the Dev Plastic for today. We will go through the holdings and just wrap up this session very soon. For the market which we have performed, what are the recommendations we have for Dev Plastic? For Dev Plastic, we can go for a long term. Right, the profitability is increasing. The mark which is it is making is very good. The net income part is good. So overall, if you see, the efficiency is very good. The management is looking into the stock prospect, and it is doing really well. So for long term investment, their plastic is really good. Even for the short term investment, it is showing momentum. We can entry at this position because it is not in the overbought zone. Now just invest in the day plastic and wait for your returns to be generated. So these are the stocks we have as of now. Now we will go for the wrap up of the session, as we are coming to the towards the end of our session. So we will just having this holding. Just remind you that this is the holding which we have as of now. This is the holding we have as of now, and whatever the holding we have generated a great amount of profit in our stock. Just look at the profitability which we have generated. Right, we have made a 47 trades till now, and we are able to generate 227% of profitability till date. In just 2.5 months, we are able to generate you with the profitability of 227%, and we have closed 37 trades as of now in just 2.5 months. Just closing of 37 trades, we are able to generate you the profit of 227% profitability has been generated. So just look at the profitability which we are able to generate for you, and the trades are limited, but the profits which we have generated is significant. What we always talk about is the consistent profit in the market. The more consistent profit you will be able to make, the more you will be able to generate profit out of it. So this is the most important thing, right? The consistency in the market is the most important thing, and the how consistent you are able to generate profit in the market, because each and every one of us in the market is here for making money. We are not here to make losses or something, right? And one more thing I want to remind you, that this live streaming session is available for only next 2 3 weeks. We are available for free for next 2 weeks. So till then, just take most benefit out of it. After that, we will be going towards the VIP mode, where we will be dealing with the clients who are only serious, who are serious in making money. So that's the point I wanted to tell to you. We will be dealing with the clients only who are serious in making money. So till now, take most benefit out of it, right? And we have seen our stock performances as of now. The stock has been doing great. So this is the stock performance which we have gone through, right? And this is the stocks which we have. The most gainer for this for today was the IP rings, and the losers was for Ganesh Green Bharat Limited. So we are seeing a momentum is building up. Nifty is doing great, was doing great from the last 5 seasons, but now it has fallen its mark. And don't forget that what returns which we have generated for you, we have generated returns tremendously for you. So just be updated with that. right? As we wrap up what we have done till now, we have provided you with the uh, updated with our current holding tracking sheets which we have as of now. What are the stocks which we are holding? We have provided you with the market update, what are the FII is doing, what the DIA is doing, right, in the market. We have also updated you about the Dev Plastic fundamentals. We have done the 360-degree analysis. We have gone through its financials. We have gone through its balance sheet. We have gone through its income statement. We have gone through its cash flow. And after that, we have also done the peer analysis. We have done the macroeconomic analysis, what is industry is unfolding. And after that, we have also done the SWOT analysis. We have talked about the future outlook of that stock, and also we have provided you with the recommendation when to enter it. So this is the things which we are providing it for free as of now. So take most benefit out of it. Why you are waiting for some time? Why you are timing the market? Remember, market is not about timing. It's all about time in the market. The more you time, the more you will give your time in the market, the more you will be able to generate returns on that. Till then, and we have provided you with the returns which we have generated at last. So in our next session, we will be continuing on Monday. We will be looking what the Nifty is doing, what the world market has unfolded in next 2 days, and we will come back with a bang on Monday, and we'll let you know what are the strategies we have, what are the stocks we have as of now. Now, till next session, be join the next session, and till then, happy investing, be profitable. Thank you for joining the today's session. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and forward it to our serious investors, right? And now let me wrap up this session. Thank you for coming here, and stay profitable. Happy investing.